How to go back to TurboTax free edition. So first you want to go to TurboTax website and sign into your account. Now from the left side panel you want to expand switch products category, and then you want to click on the downgrade button, and then you can select switch to basic with expert help and later remove the expert help if needed, and then click on switch to basic to confirm. Otherwise, another way to do it is expand the tax tools from here, and then you want to click on tools, which is under it, and then you can click on clear and start over option. It should also show up here, but just in case if it doesn't show up, you can get it from the tools page. And if you click on clear and start over, click on I want to clear my tax data and confirm, and this should basically restart the account and start using TurboTax free edition. And this will also erase your return, and it is only available if you have not paid yet or deducted fees from your refund, or you haven't registered the product already. And keep in mind that the free edition also only works for simple forms like 1040 returns. And if your return needs extra forms, TurboTax might require an upgrade. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.